So I'm gonna add a little bit of flux here. Just a tad, see if I can close that gap right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a gap right there on that positive terminal that I don't like. So just reflow that solder and see if that'll work. And it did. Here on the negative side, I really don't like this at all. This traces lift right off the board. I don't know what to do here actually, so we're gonna reflow the solder a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of solder on the bottom side of this positive terminal.